Alright. So we're gonna get on patrol now. Let's see how the SD cover looks with this. That's not gonna work. Set out. Alrighty.
Thursday 27 dispatch.
Go.
Yep. Thursday 27, show me 10 8 1041, active supervisor. 10-5, showing Thursday 27, 10 8 1041, active supervisor. Thank you. 3327, have a seat for sure.
Alrighty, let's go. Be called in. Took a left out of here. Hopefully this patrol doesn't go wrong. We've had a past experience with people at doing stuff at the Dunkin' Donuts, whether it's drugs or alcohol, whatever, fights. So I think that's where we're gonna go today. We're gonna head on over to Dunkin' Donuts. But first we got some information that there might be some dealing going on over at the 7-Eleven, so we're going to go ahead and check that out. Yeah. I love backwoods. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Oh gosh. Never mind then. Yeah. This guy already knows. He's pulling up. He already knows. Oh, that's too funny. Alright guys, we're gonna be stopping this guy. 33.
27 dispatch. Go. 3327, show me 1011 with a blue Impala, Chevy Impala, occupied ×1, plate number 000. Could I get a 1028, please, on that plate? 3327. 10-5 is gonna come back, no warrant, no warrant. 10-5, okay.
Affirmative. Go ahead, talk. Alright, let's go talk to this. 3327. Sorry, I'm Captain Guava with the Lake County Sheriff's Office. Do you know why I stopped this? Yeah, I guess it's funny. This guy, he ran the red, or he's speeding, and he ran the red, and then he looked at me, and he goes and pulls over to the side of the road, and I'm like, yep. Oh, man.
$33.27 dispatch. 3327. Can I get a 1027 named Louis Stewie? Common spelling number. Could I get a 1028 or 1027 warrant check on Louis Stewie? Yep, common spelling number. If I take it. Dispatch, what does that name come back with? 10-4, thank you.
Oh, another officer on scene. Oh, ha! He left. Okay. Alright. He didn't know. Let's head out on patrol. Okay. 33.
3327 dispatch.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Ahead. 3327. I'm gonna be 10-8 available off that last call. Off that last traffic. 10-4, thank you. Showing you 10-8 as of 1:52 p.m.
Alrighty. We're gonna go ahead and head on out down to the Dunkin' Donuts. Oop, that turned my spotlight off. Oh, we got shots fired.
3327 dispatch.
Go ahead.
3327, I hear shots fired in the vicinity. I repeat, I hear shots fired in the vicinity. 10-4.
gonna be this exit right here. Alrighty. What's this idiot doing? Jesus. I think there's a dead end up here. Oh, no. What's right here? Oh, this guy. Just sped through that light. Go ahead and see if we can find him, try to light him up. No. Yeah, what's up? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the patrol right here. We got half a truck stopped in. So, yeah guys, you have a good one. I'll see you later.